Hello students, myself Anmol Jain from Department of Computer Science and Engineering from ABES Engineering College. Today we will discuss the concept of the operator precedence table. So, before understanding the operator precedence table, we should have the knowledge of the operator grammar, then the operator precedence relations, then the operator precedence grammar, then the concept of the leading and trailing, then we will be able to derive the operator precedence table. So, one by one we will see that what is the meaning of the operator grammar. So, in operator grammar is said to be operator grammar if no productions on the right hand side has two adjacent non terminals. So, in this case we have a grammar like E drives E A E. So, what we see here that these are two non terminals are adjacent, that means this is not an operator grammar. But suppose if I replace the A with the plus sign, minus sign, multiplication and division like this, that is E drives E plus E, E drives E minus E, E drives E star E, and E drives E divides E. Now, we see that each production no two adjacent non terminals are there, hence now this grammar becomes an operator grammar. Right. So, after operator grammar, next is that what is the relations between two terminal symbols. In operator grammar, we have the terminals and non terminals. So, before going to the precedence relation table, we should know the concept of the precedence relations between two terminals. Relation between two terminals. Suppose we have two terminals A and B. So, there may be the relation less precedence, which is denoted by less followed by a dot sign. So, this is important to note that this dot sign is an important. So, A is having less precedence than B. Second, higher precedence, that A is having higher precedence over B, and third is the equal precedence, that is A is having equal precedence with B. So, these precedence relations are different from the mathematical operations, as we have the greater than operation, less operation and the equal operation as we have in mathematics. Like suppose I say that 4 is greater than 3, right. So, we cannot write like this some in mathematics, that sometimes 3 is greater than 4. This is not possible in mathematics, but in precedence relation there may be the situation then that sometimes A is greater than B, but at next time it may be a relation that B is greater than A. That is why I am saying that the precedence relations are different from mathematical relation operators. These are the precedence relations, while these are the mathematical relation operations. So, next is the concept of the leading and trailing. So, if I go back, that I am interested to find out the relations between two terminal symbols. So, how I can find out the relation between two terminals? For that, there is a concept of the leading and trailing. So, leading and trailing help us to find out the relation between two terminal symbols. So, leading of A is defined as that the set of leading of A is the set of terminal symbols in such a way that suppose there is a production like this, A drives gamma A delta, that is the plus sign, that means in multiple derivatives. So, where gamma is either the epsilon और ए सिंगल नॉन टर्मिनल। गामा जो है वो मेरा क्या हो सकता है, या तो एप्सिलॉन हो सकता है यहाँ क्या हो सकता है, सिंगल नॉन टर्मिनल. So if I see here that the gamma is either the epsilon or a single non terminal, then each small a will be in the set of leading of a, right. That means the first symbol, first terminal of this production will be in the leading of a. Similarly, if I compare the definition of the trailing of a, that is defined as the set of terminals in such a way that a derives in multiple derivatives a plus gamma a delta. Now, my point of attention is the delta. So, delta may be either a epsilon or the delta may be a single non terminal. So, this is either may be epsilon or it may be a single non terminal. अगर ऐसा है, then this A becomes the trailing of A. Trailing of A means पीछे से पहला symbol. Leading means आगे से पहला symbol. Symbol means terminal. आगे से पहला terminal और पीछे से पहला terminal. That is the actual definition of the leading and trailing. Let's have an example. For example, this is my grammar. E drives E plus T oblique T, T drives T star F oblique F, F drives parenthesis of E oblique I D. Now, what I want to derive the leading of E. So, what I see here, the leading of E means that I will put this production rule, that is E drive E plus T, then I will see that E drive E plus T and it compare with gamma A delta. So, gamma is what? This is a single non terminal, right. So, this is my single non terminal. Then A means plus, plus when the plus sign will be in the leading of E. So, plus sign is in the leading of E. Now, E drives T. Right. E drives T and T drives T star F. That means E drives T star F. Again I compare this with the gamma A delta, and now the gamma is again a single non terminal. Then this is the A. Then again this star is in the leading of E. So, this star is in leading of E. Similarly, I compare that the T drives F and F drives parenthesis of E. What I find here, that F drives this. If F drives this, then what is my A, and this is my gamma, and rest string is my delta. So, here the gamma is epsilon and parenthesis open is my A. So, parenthesis of A is again the leading of E. Similarly, F drives I D. So, I D is what? Here is gamma, here is delta. So, what is the I D is? I D is again is the first terminal which can be derived with the E. So, this will be in the leading of E, right. So, that means the definition of leading of E is the first terminal which can be derived by the non terminal E. E non terminal से कौन कौन से terminal drive हो सकते हैं, that becomes the first terminal symbols, that will be in the set of E. So, plus star parenthesis open and I D, this will be in the set of leading of E. Similarly, now I come to the next is E T drives T star F. So, what I see that the star is the first terminal symbol which can be derived from the T, right. So, star will be in the set of leading of T. T drives F and F drives E, parenthesis of E, that means T drives E. So, again the opening parenthesis maybe will be as the first terminal symbol which can be derived from the T. So, again the opening bracket will be in the leading of T, right. Similarly, now we come to the F drive, T drives F, F drives I D. Again this may be the first terminal symbol which can be derived by the T. So, again the I D will be in the set of leading of T. Next we come to the concept, next we come to the leading of F. Leading of F means that what is the first terminal which can be derived with the help of F. So, what we see here that F drives E, F drives E. So, what the first symbol was, first terminal symbol which can be derived. So, this is opening bracket and I D, right. So, F opening bracket and I D are in the leading of F, right. Now, we come to the concept of the trailing. So, leading means the first terminal symbol which can be derived by a non terminal. Similarly, and opposite of this leading, opposite of the leading, that the first terminal symbol but from the back, पीछे से फर्स्ट टर्मिनल सिंबल कौन सा हो सकता है. सपोज ई, ये प्रोडक्शन है ई ड्राइव्स ई प्लस टी, देन व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट टर्मिनल सिंबल फ्रॉम द बैक, ट्रेल, ट्रेल मीन्स पीछे से. सो व्हाट आई सी हियर दैट ई ड्राइव्स ई प्लस टी, तो पीछे से फर्स्ट सिंबल कौन सा हो सकता है, टर्मिनल सिंबल, दैट इज द प्लस, पीछे से, दैट इज द फर्स्ट terminal symbol. So, this plus sign will be in the trailing of E. E drives T and T drives F. That means E drives T star F. दो स्टेप में हमने कैलकुलेट किया, दैट E drives T star F. फिर से मैं देखूंगा इसमें पीछे से फर्स्ट टर्मिनल सिंबल कौन सा हो सकता है, दैट इज द स्टार. सो दिस इज माई स्टार इन द ट्रेलिंग ऑफ T. Similarly, T drives F and F drives E, that means E drives in multiple steps. So, what is the first terminal symbol from the back? So, what is the closing bracket? So, closing bracket is in the trailing of E, and next is the F drives ID, that means E drives ID. So, what is the last terminal symbol from the back, that is the itself ID. So, all these four symbols will be in the set of trailing of E. Similarly, we can find out the trailing of T. Trailing of T means T से ड्राइव होने वाले वो सारे प्रोडक्शंस और उन प्रोडक्शंस में लास्ट टर्मिनल या फर्स्ट टर्मिनल फ्रॉम दी ट्रेल, ट्रेल मीन्स पीछे से. तो T ड्राइव्स T स्टार F. सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट सिंबल, फर्स्ट टर्मिनल सिंबल फ्रॉम द बैक, दैट इज द स्टार. सो T के ट्रेलिंग में क्या आ जाएगा आपका स्टार. देन T ड्राइव्स F, F ड्राइव्स दिस, दैट मीन्स T ड्राइव्स parenthesis of E. So, this will be the first terminal symbol from the last which can be derived from the T. So, T के ट्रेलिंग में क्या आ जाएगा, क्लोजिंग ब्रैकेट. सिमिलरली ID. So, this is the first and this is also the last. So, T के ट्रेलिंग में क्या आ जाएगा आपका ID. Next is the F. What is the set of trailing of F? तो F से ड्राइव होने वाला प्रोडक्शन कौन सा है, दैट इज F ड्राइव्स E. सो व्हाट इज द लास्ट और द फर्स्ट टर्मिनल फ्रॉम द बैक. तो फर्स्ट टर्मिनल फ्रॉम द बैक इज ओनली द क्लोजिंग ब्रैकेट एंड द फर्स्ट टर्मिनल फ्रॉम द back, that is ID. So, this is the set of closing bracket and ID which can be derived from the F. So, this will be the set of the leading and trailing. Once we have the concept of the leading and trailing, then we can easily find out the relations between any two terminals. Any two terminal means what will be the relation between the plus and plus, what will be the relation between plus and multiplication, what will be the relation between plus and opening bracket, and so on. So, I think that the concept of the leading and trailing should be clear. Again I repeat one thing, leading means स्टार्टिंग से मैं कौन सा सिंबल टर्मिनल सिंबल मेरा फर्स्ट होगा, दैट इज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द लीडिंग, और ट्रेलिंग मीन्स पीछे से कौन सा टर्मिनल सिंबल मेरा फर्स्ट होगा, दैट विल बी इन माय ट्रेलिंग सेट, राइट. नेक्स्ट वी कम टू द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द ऑपरेटर प्रेसिडेंस ग्रामर. ऑपरेटर प्रेसिडेंस ग्रामर is a grammar that is an epsilon free grammar, in which the precedence relations either the less than, equals to, or greater than between two terminal symbols A and B are disjoint. The meaning of disjoint means there should be no two relations between A and B. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता that A is equivalent to having equal precedence with B and A is having higher precedence over B. If it is there, then this is not disjoint. Disjoint means there should be an unique relation, right. अगर एक से ज़्यादा रिलेशंस हैं, प्रेसिडेंस रिलेशंस हैं, then that will be the no, this is not a disjoint relation. If there is a non disjoint relation, then the grammar is not said to be the operator precedence grammar. So, we come to the next concept of the operator precedence rules, that how we can find out the relations between two terminals. So, there may be three type of productions or three type of relations, that is A is equivalent to B, that means A is having equal precedence with the B. How we can find? So, if there is a production like this, that is alpha A beta B gamma, right. What I see here, that my objective is to find the any two terminal symbols in the production. So, in the production what are the terminal symbols A and B, and these two terminal symbols are separated by beta, and this beta is either epsilon or it is a single non terminal. That means alpha A beta B gamma, it may be a epsilon or it may be a single non terminal, right. अगर ऐसा है, then A is having equal precedence with B. Let's see. Suppose there is a production like this, as drives if condition, then statement, else statement, right. So, what I see here in this production, that this I separated by C and then again T. So, this is my A and this is my B. I compare with this my production, that is alpha A beta B, and suppose this is my beta. Beta means either it may be a single non terminal or it may be a epsilon. So, in this case this is a single non terminal, right. If it is there, then means I can say that I is having equal precedence with T, right. Next, move ahead, that the T S E, again T is separated by a single non terminal, that means T is having equal precedence with E. So, we have to find out the pattern like this, that the two terminal symbols that are separated by either epsilon or a single non terminal. right. Next is the pattern is alpha followed by terminal followed by a non terminal. So, my objective will be to find out the pattern terminal followed by a non terminal. अगर ऐसा pattern मिलता है then I say that the A is having less precedence with the leading of A. I have calculated the leading of A and also defined dollar has the less precedence with the leading of A. So, I come to this pattern. Suppose the grammar is E drives E plus T oblique T, T drives T star F oblique F, F drives E and I D. So, first I find the relations between the equal precedence. Equal precedence के लिए what I do? I try to find out the pattern which are separated by a single non terminal. So, what I find here that only this is a production, that the F drives E is a single production which match the pattern of alpha A beta B. So, in this case this is my A and this is my B, which is separated by a single non terminal. Then I can say that this opening bracket is equivalent precedence with the closing bracket. So, I put it here that the opening bracket is having equal precedence with the closing bracket. So, this is my precedence table between the terminal symbols, right. So, I can fill this in this way. Next is the lesser precedence. I have seen the pattern for the lesser precedence, that terminal followed by non terminal. अगर terminal followed by non terminal है, then I can fill it with the table with the concept of that A is having less precedence with leading of A. What is my leading of A? Leading of A means leading of E here. E means plus star opening bracket and ID. So, I can fill it easily lesser precedence, and lesser precedence I repeat that these are inserted in row wise. Row wise means that plus T, this is my pattern plus T, that is terminal followed by non terminal. So, plus is having less precedence with the leading of T. So, what is the leading of T? That is the plus is having less precedence with the leading of T, means less precedence with the star, less precedence with the opening bracket, less precedence with the ID, right. And also define dollar sign is having less precedence with the leading of A. So, this is my dollar symbol. डॉलर को भी मैंने क्या डिफाइन कर दिया, डॉलर इज हैविंग लेस प्रेजेंट विद द लीडिंग ऑफ टी, दैट मीन्स दिस एंड दिस, राइट. नाउ वी कम टू द स्टार एफ, दैट मीन्स स्टार इज हैविंग लेस प्रेसिडेंस विद द लीडिंग ऑफ एफ, that means a star and the leading of F means the opening bracket and ID. Similarly, we also define the with the dollar sign, that is already filled. Next is opening bracket oblique E, that means this is having less precedence with the leading of E, right. So, opening bracket means this is my opening bracket and the leading of E is plus star opening bracket and ID, and also define with the dollar sign, right. So, in this way we can fill the table for the less precedence. Next we come to the concept of higher precedence. So, for higher precedence the pattern is like this means non terminal followed by a terminal. अगर ऐसा है that means followed by, then A is having higher precedence over the trailing of A, and also define dollar is having higher precedence for the trailing of A, right. So, here we see the higher precedence relations. What relation, what pattern we look for? That is a non-terminal followed by a terminal. So, here is E plus, that is the non-terminal followed by a terminal. So, what is the meaning of that? The plus is having higher precedence with the leading of, sorry, trailing of E, and these entries are filled by the column wise. Column wise means plus is having higher precedence with the trailing of E. So, trailing of E contains the plus sign, multiplication, closing bracket and ID, and also define it for the dollar, right. Similarly, next is T star, that means T star means star is having higher precedence over the trailing of T. So, star is here and fill all the entries with the higher precedence with the trailing of T. Trailing of T is star, closing bracket and ID. Similarly, opening bracket E followed by closing bracket, that means closing bracket is having higher precedence with the trailing of E, right. So, in the same way we can fill all the entries, and at the same time we also define the dollars. So, after completing the equal precedence, lesser precedence and higher precedence, we can completely fill this table in this way, and we find that there are certain blank entries which could not be filled with the precedence relations, and these entries are called as the errors. So, in this case we are having 7 errors, right. So, these blank entries are called the errors. Again I conclude my lecture. In this lecture what we have seen, our objective was to find out the precedence relation table. For that we learned the precedence relations, it may be less precedence, higher precedence or equal precedence, and next is that how we can find the relations between two terminal symbols that can be compute with the help of the leading and trailing. Leading की definition मैंने आपको ये बताई कि किसी भी नॉन टर्मिनल से ड्राइव होने वाला प्रोडक्शन और उस प्रोडक्शन का फर्स्ट टर्मिनल सिंबल that is in the set of the leading of that non terminal. Similarly, trailing means किसी भी नॉन टर्मिनल से ड्राइव होने वाला प्रोडक्शन और उसके ट्रेल मीन्स उसके पीछे से जो फर्स्ट टर्मिनल सिंबल आ सकता है दैट इज इन द ट्रेल ऑफ that non terminal, right. Then we find that we can fill the relations with the help of leading of non terminal and the trailing of non terminal symbols, right. Then we try to fill this precedence table for the less precedence and higher precedence. After completing the lesser precedence and higher precedence, we find that still some entries are blank, and we call these blank entries are the errors. Thank you. If you find any problem, you can reach to me at the following ID anmol.jain@abes.ac.in. Thank you.